Hey there. So, let's dive into the problem at hand. You set up a working corporate login using Intra-ID in Azure AD B2C with custom policies, allowing you to add an access token to your API calls. However, when you extract this token from the claims and add it to the header of your requests, you're encountering a 401 unauthorized error with a signature validation failure. Frustrating, right? This authentication issue is quite common, and we'll get to the bottom of it together. Moving on to the solution. Remember, it's crucial not to validate Microsoft Graph API tokens when using the pre-class equals lang XML pretty print override code and LT. Item key equals and quote, scope and quote, and GT, HTTPS. b2c.onmicrosoft.com xxx and point and LT. Item and GT. Code scope. These tokens have different signing methods, so stick to validating tokens generated specifically for your custom API or application. By passing the correct scope and ensuring proper API permissions, you'll be able to generate and validate access tokens successfully. In summary, always be mindful of the tokens you're working with and their intended purposes. Avoid validating Microsoft Graph API tokens and focus on verifying tokens generated for your application. By following these steps and correctly setting scopes and permissions, you'll overcome the authentication challenges you've been facing. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a witty comment below. Have a great day, and happy coding!